welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a cold Natto Kimchi Udon. I use vinegar in the soup to give it a refreshing taste, so it's perfect for the hot summer day. I hope you also like it. So, okay, let's get started.
These are the ingredients for today. So I use udon, but you can also make it with a soba, black wheat noodles, or somen, Japanese thin wheat noodles.
First heat up the udon following the packet direction.
And then if you're using the dry noodles, please boil about 80 grams. That is enough for one person. So while the udon is heating up, prepare ice cube to cool the udon. So drain the noodles using the strainer, cool them under ice water, and drain again.
Okay, cold enough.
So next, let's prepare the okra. Prepare 4 okras and wash them first. And then remove skin around the top end with calyx. This will make the okra more smooth texture. And then cut off the top, like this. And then next. So bring to the boil over medium-high heat. So in my case, I heat okra in boiling water, but if you find it too hassle, you can heat okra in the microwave. So the water is now boiling, so please add about 1 tablespoon of salt and boil the okra for 1.5 minutes. So 1.5 minutes, and that gives enough time for the okra to soften. So I'm gonna drain off the water and put them in some cold water straight away.
Okra also ready. So let's cut the okra. Oh look, it looks so beautiful color and already sticky. Okay, let's add to the plate. So I will put the 200 milliliter of cold water. And then I add the 150 milliliter of Mentsuyu. In goes 1 tablespoon of vinegar.
So I use Mitsukan grain vinegar, which is the most popular in Japan. It has a mild taste, can be used in many dishes such as a sushi vinegar, dressing, and stewed food. So divide the udon among serving bowls.
And then I add the kimuchi.
So serve about 50 grams to 80 grams of kimchi per person.
And then I add the natto also.
So it's off topic, but it's said that the natto tastes best when it's mixed more than 200 times to make it more umami. Of course, most Japanese don't mix it that many times because it's too much hassle.
And then I add the okra as well.
And then one more thing, it's also delicious with steamed chicken tenders. So at the end, sprinkle grated sesame over the udon. And then it's also delicious with the sesame oil.
Ta-da! 完成しました. This is cold Natto Kimchi Udon. Looks good, right? Okay, time to eat. じゃーん。できましたよ。食べます。Let's begin. いただきます。めんつゆのいい香り。First, I will try the soup. Oh, vinegar is a very good accent. 美味しい。So I will eat sticky combination. Natto and okra. これは美味しいぞ。
So the sticky texture of the udon and the gooey consistency means that you chew a lot, so which fills you up.
これ はヘルシーだしね、体にはいいかも。てか美味しい。If you enjoyed my video, please give me that thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.